Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer money from Apple Pay to debit card. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. So the first thing that you can do here is make sure that your iPhone has the latest version of iOS. Second, make sure that your device is eligible to use with Apple Pay. Third, make sure that you have a Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Fourth, if you're transferring money to a debit card, make sure that it's an eligible debit card. Now, to transfer money from Apple Pay to debit card, first open the Wallet app on your iPhone device, and then tap your Apple Cash card, and then tap on the More button, which is the three dots, and then tap Transfer to Bank. Now, enter an amount and then tap Next. Once done, tap Instant Transfer. If you haven't added an eligible debit card, tap Add Card and follow the instructions on your screen to add a MasterCard or Visa debit card. Finally, tap Transfer, and then tap on the arrow to select the debit card that you want to transfer funds and select the billing information for your chosen debit card. So that's it. That's how you basically transfer your money from Apple Pay to debit card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.